Let's learn A to Z together. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F for fish. G. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kid.
L for lion.
M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. Look at this beautiful orange.
P for parrot.
Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Yay! We learned A to Z.